Something from Billy Dean. It happens to a mother. She is giving birth. Her heart is filled with joy, while her body is filled with hurt. She holds the baby close to her, despite the pain it caused. 'Cause when it comes to love, you don't count the cost. It happens to a soldier fighting for his own. Feel what's up inside him, and yet it still goes on. Even though he knows he may be the next to fall. 'Cause when it comes to love, you don't count the cost. You don't count the heartache, you don't count the sacrifice. All that counts is what you feel inside. It doesn't really matter what is lost and what is gained. When it comes to love, you don't count the cost. It happens all around us, each and every day. Someone giving all they've got for someone